Hi everybody. I had a request to show how to remove the mirrors on your Ninja 1000 SX. The process of removing the mirrors is pretty straightforward, but in order to get to them, you have to remove your windscreen, which I have a video for, but it's really simple. You just have to remove the 4 bolts on the windscreen with a 4mm hex socket. You then have to remove your middle fairings, which I have a video for, and then you have to remove your meter cover, which again, I have a video for. Once you have all of that out of the way, you can get to the mirrors. And the only thing you need to remove the mirrors is a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there's your mirror. So inside here, you have your 2 bolts, and you need to remove the nuts. So take your 10mm socket and remove the nuts. Okay, once you have the nut finger loose, support the mirror and undo the nut. Be careful not to drop it. And slide it out. There you go. The same thing is on the other side. Just remove the 2 nuts. Remove the mirror, and you're good to go. Reinstalling the mirror is the same process as taking it off. So whether you're putting on a new mirror or you needed to replace a mirror, just put the mirror in the holes, put the nuts on, and tighten it down. Now, I'm not even looking up the torque specs for this because I don't see how I'm getting a torque wrench in there. So just get it tight, nice and snug, just don't over tighten it. Make sure it's on there firm, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Stay safe, keep 2 on the ground.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you'd like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.